I've come across a lot of programs for children who need more of a tier 3 intervention. They need a really heavier layer of help in order for them to be successful in school. And oftentimes these programs are labeled behavior support program, behavior room, behavior response program, whatever we call it. The problem there lies with the word behavior. So I've been thinking about this a lot, that if the perception is that we treat behavior, then everyone who goes by those rooms is going to see them as the behavior room. And that in itself is going to make it hard for people to change their perception with the very audience that we're trying to help the most. So be careful that we don't send a message that we treat the symptom. Remember, behavior is a symptom. In our behavior programs, if you will, we treat more of the cause, whether it be a challenge cognitively, communication, social, emotional, whatever it is that our children are dealing with that has landed them in this tier 3 intervention. That's what we're doing there. We're not treating the behavior. So perhaps taking a step back and looking at the sign on the door that says behavior support room may look more like support room.